according to the panel, a counter affidavit was submitted by the lawyers of Harry Roque. Now, it would appear that he had a document which was notarized pero dun siya sa Abu Dhabi. Okay, so the panel opted to give the respondent a chance. They called for a clarificatory hearing which would be scheduled anytime between now and the 16th of December. Purpose is to clarify certain issues and to find out really where Mr. Harry Roque is at this point in time. Under our rules, the prosecutor is given the opportunity and should be given the opportunity to examine whoever it is who submits counter affidavits. And in this particular case, the whereabouts of Attorney Harry Roque is unknown to us. Meron document na lumalabas that he's outside of the country. Now, even if he submits a counter affidavit through his lawyers, hindi ibig sabihin na tatanggapin nilang kaagad ng panel yan. Kasi number one, wala siya sa jurisdiction ng aming panel dito sa Pilipinas. The only way that we can consider that is if he executes the affidavit and has it notarized or apostilled before the embassy of the country where he is at that particular time.